What's up, Camp Griddlemore? On today's episode, we are going to make 4 easy Smashburger sauces that you are going to love making at the campground this spring and summer. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. Let's get started by prepping our Smashburgers, and we're gonna go about 1/4 pound on each of these, and we don't wanna pack them too tightly, and we're gonna use the whiskey burger seasoning for all of the burgers we're making today for all of the 4 different Smashburger sauces that we are trying. All right, Camp Griddlemore, when I said these were easy Smashburger sauces, I was not kidding. For our first burger sauce, we're going to only need 2 ingredients. I'm gonna use Sweet Baby Ray's and Mike's Hot Honey, and you can use any barbecue sauce and any hot honey combination that you want, and we're gonna go about 4 to 1, and we're gonna pair this Smashburger sauce with cheddar cheese. For each of these Smashburgers, we want our Blackstone camping griddle on high heat, and we are gonna smash them with both of our spatulas, and then once we flip them, we're gonna go down with our cheese on each one, and for this one, it's gonna be the cheddar. And of course, for each of these Smashburger sauces, we wanna make sure we have perfectly toasted buns. Oh man, oh man, oh man, this Smashburger sauce is so delicious. Only 2 ingredients. Love the sweetness of the barbecue sauce, a little bit of kick of heat from the honey, pairs perfectly with the cheddar. It is screaming out for some bacon, so you could add that too if you wanted to. Up next is our CNL Smashburger sauce, named after Chef Nathan Lippy, because this is his idea. This is his Smashburger sauce, and he's done a couple of really awesome videos with a bunch of different burger sauces you're gonna wanna try. This one has a base of equal parts mayo and barbecue sauce, at least the way I'm gonna do it today, and then I'm putting in Sriracha to taste and a fresh squeeze of lemon. We are pairing this Smashburger sauce with Colby Jack cheese. This one is only 4 ingredients, but so delicious. Thank you, Chef Nathan Lippy. And we are gonna make sure for each of these burgers that we have a ramekin for dipping. This Smashburger sauce is creamy, it is tangy, it's got a little kick of heat, and that fresh squeeze of lemon takes it right over the top. All right, let's move on to our next Smashburger sauce. This is our Camp Griddlemore House Sauce. We all love this one, my kids ask for it all the time. We're gonna use ketchup, we're gonna use ranch, we're gonna use a little bit of Sriracha, a scoop of spicy relish, and some pickle juice. This sauce still only has 5 ingredients, super easy to make, and we're pairing it with some classic American cheese. On this one, I really like that acidic taste that we get from that pickle juice, and then we're using ketchup for the first time here, so you also get that flavor of the ketchup and the creaminess from the ranch, and just a little bit of a kick from the Sriracha on this one. Up next is our almost famous Jersey Devil Smashburger sauce, and I truly love this one. We're gonna go 4 to 1 Heinz ketchup to Duke's Mayo. We're gonna add a generous scoop of diced jalapenos to bring the heat, and then we're also gonna add a dash of hot sauce to really crank up the heat on this one. I'm using my friend Casey Webb's Inferno hot sauce. You can use whatever hot sauce you want. Then we're gonna add a generous portion of the whiskey burger seasoning and a fine dusting of Fritos. This burger sauce only has 6 ingredients, and we're pairing it with pepper jack cheese, and the overall flavor profile has this really nice heat that runs all the way through the burger without being overwhelming. It is absolutely delicious. In the Chef Nathan Lippy episodes of Cook, Eat, Repeat, where he does his own delicious burger sauces, he points out that it's a great way to get out of like a burger rut if you're becoming bored with your Smashburgers. Sometimes you don't have to mess with the core ingredients, you just have to up your sauces and start experimenting and having some fun. So between this video and the several videos that Chef Nathan has done, there's at least a dozen burger sauces out there that you could try right here on the Blackstone channel.
Which one was your favorite?
Now, I'm not gonna rank mine against Chef Nathan's because that's not fair, because I got 3 of them and he's only got 1 of them. His was absolutely delicious. Let's put that to the side. I'll pick a favorite out of my 3, and it is definitely gonna be that Jersey Devil Smashburger sauce. Love the crunch of the Fritos, love the heat that runs through it, and I'm just a huge fan of pepper jack cheese. That's not part of the sauce, but that really helps that one too. So hopefully we'll see all of you at the campground messing around, experimenting, and trying new burger sauces this summer. We'll see you next week here at Camp Griddlemore.